Had a little bit of grasp of some late summer-like weather today. Look at that. We got to 84 degrees in Salisbury, had bright, brilliant sunshine as well. And that's well above where we should be for this time of the year, 75 degrees. So definitely an unseasonably warm day. And it's muggy tonight and warm. It's 71 degrees with Chucky and Lewis, and a lot of us are in the lowest 70s to upper 60s. And I think we'll only drop it to the mid 60s for tonight with some humidity in place. So going to feel a bit muggy out there. Of course, today coming out of a fairly wet day yesterday, especially last night, where rainfall amounts isolated pockets exceeding 2 inches, but generally the higher amounts were between 1 and 2 inches. The further north you went, rain totals were a little bit less impressive, with rain totals like Easton and Georgetown well below 1 inch of rain. But some of us got some good soaking rain, and it was beneficial because we're still a bit dry for this time of the month. But we did dodge a lot of the really impactful weather from Helene as she tracked northward. Of course, a lot of flooding reports, too many to count. Some tornadic storms in eastern North Carolina as well. And of course, all the images coming out of western North Carolina along the Blue Ridge Mountains. Some locations there received 20 to 30 inches of rain. That's a year's worth of rain in just 3 days. And of course, all the photos coming out of there are truly devastating. So definitely keep those folks in your minds as we go forward. But here's the remnant circulation of Helene, the ghost of Helene, if you will. It's a lot weaker now, but it's still producing some clouds and showers, and it's over there right now, but it's going to gradually come eastward and gives it an increase in the clouds, some shower chances as well. A couple of isolated showers west of the bay, but generally I think we're going to be mainly dry. A lot of this is ground clutter, but we'll mention the chance of a spot shower tonight, though I think it's going to be mainly dry, and really it's the fog that's going to be the concern. I think later on tonight it becomes fairly dense. A few instances of reduced visibility right now, but nothing too bad, but I do think we'll get pretty dense going towards sunrise tomorrow morning. And the humidity remains in place for the next few days. But on Wednesday, there's evidence of a cold front moving through, and Thursday into Friday, that's when we begin to drop that humidity, feeling a bit more fall-like out here by then. For tonight, it's just mostly cloudy skies. Going into tomorrow, it's a variable clouds. I think you'll see more sunshine in areas like Accomack County, and there will be a threat for an isolated shower, maybe even a downpour in a few select locations as well, but I think it is going to be mainly dry. On Monday, a few isolated showers are possible with a mostly cloudy sky. I don't think it isn't until Tuesday where we see a better potential for scattered showers to come into the area with mostly cloudy skies. Also watching this area that does have the potential to develop into a tropical cyclone next week. The National Hurricane Center giving us a 50% chance for a tropical depression to develop. What happens after that remains to be seen, but we'll be keeping an eye on it over the coming days. Tonight, 64 to 69 degrees with patchy fog late. Variable clouds for tomorrow with the threat for isolated showers. That continues into Tuesday, but by Wednesday, we'll be drying things out, looking good for the end of next week. Layla?